Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to download and install Anaconda software step by step. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, to download and install Anaconda software step by step, follow me. First of all, go to your browser, your search engine, and type Anaconda download. As you can see, okay, the first link, as you can see here. Don't worry about the link, I will put in the description below. Okay, that's it. Here guys, scroll down to download button and click here. Okay, here as you can see guys, we have multiple versions, as you can see, for Windows, for Mac or Linux. So I want to my Windows 10, so check if you have a 64-bit or you have a 32-bit. So go here to this PC icon, right click, properties. As you can see here guys, system type 64-bit operating system. So I want the 64-bit one version. Okay, that's it. Click here and start download. Okay, so as you can see guys, I finished downloading this Anaconda software. So let's try now to install to Windows 10. Simply double click. Okay, click next. Also I agree. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, install. Okay, that's it, it's completed. Click next. Also next. Okay, finish. Okay, now click start in the start menu. Okay, here guys, scroll down to Anaconda folder. Okay, that's it. Right click in this software, then click more, open file location. That's it. Also right click, send to desktop. As you can see, that's it. Now let's run this software. Okay, it's initializing. Okay, that's it guys. As you can see, the software runs successfully. Okay, that's it. So easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.